All right, now we're gonna go over the hip mobility component of the CrossFit Mobility Checklist. So the reason that hip mobility is super important here is because if you don't have good hip mobility, you're gonna struggle with the squat, the overhead squat, the squat snatch. Any variation of the squat, you're gonna have some trouble with. And that hip mobility issue can eventually lead to pain. So now we're gonna talk about beginning the test and some of the steps that you have to take to make sure that you're doing the test correctly. To begin the test, you're gonna lay flat on your back with your knees bent. You're gonna actively bring your knees and hips towards your chest and your abdomen, just like this. A normal test is like such. Your thighs move closer to the abdomen and they're basically touching. An abnormal test, or what should not happen, is when you pull your knees to your chest, they just can't quite get there. This restriction in hip mobility can lead to injury and ultimately needs to be addressed, especially in the CrossFit athlete.